Discipline is not merely a habit or a routine. It is the deliberate shaping of identity itself. It is the force that transforms thought into unyielding action, potential into reality. Most pursue temporary inspiration, chasing fleeting bursts of motivation or external validation, unaware that true mastery is rooted in unbroken consistency. Discipline aligns every action, every thought, every intention with an uncompromising standard of excellence. When this alignment occurs, hesitation vanishes, weakness is irrelevant, and presence becomes a force that commands both attention and respect. The elite level of discipline generates subtle fear because it exists outside ordinary perception. Society celebrates visible struggle, effort that can be measured, progress that can be applauded. But when someone acts with silent, unwavering precision, without seeking recognition or approval, they challenge the norms that others rely on. Their consistency becomes unpredictable in its impact, making them both invisible and formidable. This presence unsettles observers because it reflects mastery they have not cultivated. They feel the weight of order in contrast to their own chaos, and that tension evokes respect, awe, or quiet apprehension. Human behavior is often enslaved by transient emotion. Comfort, distraction, and avoidance dictate choices, limiting growth. Discipline liberates the mind from these oscillations, transforming deliberation into instinct. Daily routines, standards, and strategic behaviors converge to create a life where the question of whether to act becomes obsolete. Execution becomes instinctive, embedded in identity. Decisions no longer require debate. They manifest as natural outcomes of character and purpose. The neuroscience behind elite discipline reinforces this transformation. Neural pathways solidify with repeated action against resistance. Each deliberate act of consistency reshapes the mind, embedding the identity of someone who fulfills, completes, and conquers. The brain, once a source of hesitation, evolves into a mechanism that anticipates action. Motivation becomes irrelevant. External validation fades. Discipline becomes self-sustaining, a permanent framework of internal authority and self-mastery. As disciplined action compounds, its influence extends beyond personal performance. Resilience to chaos grows. Stress and pressure are no longer threats but tools. Discomfort becomes a catalyst for development, and challenges are reframed as opportunities. Observers of such transformation sense its depth and feel its effects, recognizing a mastery they do not possess. Some admire it, some fear it, and others quietly measure themselves against it. True mastery manifests in silent, deliberate discipline. It requires no proclamation or spectacle. Presence communicates authority through action alone. Attempts to disrupt or influence the disciplined mind are ineffective. Principle, not impulse, guides every choice. This is elite execution. Precise, relentless, and formidable, producing impact without overt display. Discipline is freedom, paradoxically. Freedom from indecision, from oscillation, from the pull of trivial distractions. As habits and standards solidify, one becomes impervious to mediocrity. Presence becomes commanding not through assertion, but through the inevitability of action. The disciplined individual becomes a silent nexus of influence, shaping outcomes through consistency, control, and precision. In a world obsessed with visibility, attention, and reaction, the disciplined individual requires none. Outcomes speak for themselves. Reactions are strategic, not impulsive. The act itself provides satisfaction, not recognition. Mastery unfolds in subtle, precise, relentless influence. Discipline is omnipresent in every act, every decision, every choice, creating influence without noise. Time, energy, and choice are optimized through discipline. Friction is minimized, focus amplified, and competence ingrained through repeated execution. Each deliberate choice reinforces authority over circumstance. Daily practice compounds into an unstoppable force that is tangible, observable, and inevitable. Feeling stuck, distracted, or burned out, it's time to break free. I highly recommend you read The Art of Being Unstoppable. This isn't just another book. It's your blueprint for mastering your mind, controlling your emotions, and taking back your life. Inside, you'll discover the tools to build unshakable focus, unstoppable resilience, and a sense of purpose that cuts through the noise of this chaotic world. Stop just surviving. Start dominating. Step into the person you were always meant to become. The link is in the description below. Check it out and begin your transformation today. Observers may label extreme behavior where only consistency exists. They may comment on change, obsession, or intensity, unaware that the underlying structure is mastery itself. Power lies not in aggression, but in calm control, unwavering routine, and refined self-command. Discipline transforms the individual into a silent storm, precise, deliberate, and unyielding. Internal authority now dictates all actions. External opinion loses its sway. Principle governs conduct. Neural pathways optimized for execution render effort effortless, growth inevitable, and results undeniable. The path of elite discipline is solitary but sovereign, distancing oneself from mediocrity and comfort-driven norms. Separation is not a loss, but an investment in mastery and influence. The disciplined individual does not seek recognition. Presence commands it. Impulse is replaced by strategy, and reward is found within the act itself. Mastery becomes manifest in subtle, precise, and relentless execution. Discipline is not loud. It is omnipresent, effective, and authoritative. It is not for admiration. It is for results. It is reserved for those capable of sustained excellence. Discipline reshapes mind, body, and presence. Time bends to respect. Energy amplifies through focus, and choices align with principle. Repetition ingrains identity. Action becomes inevitable. Ordinary individuals sense order, precision, and inevitability in conduct. They perceive influence without aggression, presence without proclamation. Every act of discipline compounds into authority, competence, and mastery. Discipline liberates from indecision, distraction, and triviality. Every repetition strengthens identity. Every fulfilled commitment reinforces alignment. Every day lived with consistency compounds into tangible mastery. The disciplined individual becomes a vector of silent, undeniable power. Elevate yourself until calm disrupts chaos. Elevate consistency until excuses collapse in your presence. Elevate reliability until mere presence commands attention. This is the apex of discipline, where ordinary humans evolve into silent, unstoppable forces of mastery. This is why you are called dangerous. This is the essence of true power. Yet discipline is not static. It is ever expanding. It demands continuous refinement, deeper awareness, and broader application. Mental clarity, strategic foresight, emotional regulation, and physical preparedness all coalesce to create a comprehensive system of mastery. Each domain reinforces the others, creating an unbroken chain of competence and influence. To ascend further is to integrate knowledge, action, and identity seamlessly, elevating every aspect of existence to a level previously unattainable. Elite discipline transforms every interaction into an opportunity to practice mastery. Conversations, decisions, and even observation become exercises in control and influence. Every challenge encountered is a test, every failure a lesson embedded into the fabric of identity. The disciplined mind views obstacles as material for growth rather than impediments, reshaping reality through measured response and unwavering action. Ultimately, discipline is an art form. It is the synthesis of mental acuity, emotional resilience, strategic action, and physical execution. It is the cultivation of presence that commands respect, instills fear where necessary, and inspires admiration without seeking it. Those who master this art transcend ordinary existence, moving through life with silent authority, relentless purpose, and unyielding precision. To live in this state is to embody a force that is both formidable and inescapable, a presence that changes the world quietly but irrevocably. If you made it until here, leave a mind emoji in the comments. I want to see how many of you reach the end and finish what they start. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and keep improving day by day. Together we are unstoppable.